than ever. One intriguing opportunity that has emerged is the prospect of making money by watching TikTok videos on your phone. Yes, you read that right. You can potentially turn your leisure time into a small income stream simply by enjoying the content on this popular social media platform. In this video, we'll explore how you can earn $12.30 or more by watching TikTok videos on your phone. Understanding the concept. Earning money by watching TikTok videos might sound too good to be true, but it's a legitimate concept. Apps and platforms have emerged that reward users for their time and engagement. One such platform is Incent, which allows you to earn cryptocurrency by watching TikTok videos. How it works. Download the Incent app. The first step is to download the Incent app on your smartphone. It's available on both iOS and Android devices, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Sign up. After downloading the app, you'll need to sign up and create an account. This typically involves providing your email address and setting a password. Link your TikTok account. Once your account is set up, you can link it to your TikTok account. This step allows the Incent app to track the TikTok videos you watch. Start watching TikTok videos. Now comes the fun part. You can start watching TikTok videos through the Incent app. The app will track your viewing activity and reward you with cryptocurrency. Earn Incent, INCNT. As you watch videos, you'll accumulate Incent tokens, INCNT, which are a type of cryptocurrency. These tokens have real-world value and can be converted into cash or used for various online purchases. Cash out. Once you've accumulated a sufficient amount of Incent tokens, you can cash out your earnings. The app typically provides multiple options for cashing out, including PayPal transfers and gift cards. Earnings potential. The amount you can earn by watching TikTok videos on Incent depends on several factors. Watch time. The more time you spend watching TikTok videos, the more Incent tokens you'll earn. The app may have specific requirements, such as a minimum watch time for each video to qualify for rewards. Engagement. Some platforms reward users not only for watching videos but also for liking, commenting, and sharing them. Engaging with the content can boost your earnings. Referrals. Many apps offer referral bonuses, where you can earn additional rewards by inviting friends and family to join the platform. Market value. The value of Incent tokens can fluctuate, so the amount you earn may vary over time. It's important to keep an eye on the token's value if you plan to convert it into cash.